Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 times x plus 5 divide by x minus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 4 times x minus 5. This is equals to 1. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Look carefully. Here 2 and here 5. If we add 2 and 5 then you will get 7. So first we will write x plus 2 and x plus 5 together. Here x plus 2 is multiplied by x plus 5, and here this 3 and this 4, if we add both the numbers then you will get 7. So we will write x plus 3 and x plus 4 together. X plus 3 times x plus 4. Similarly, this 2 and this 5, if we add both the numbers then you will get 7. So divide by x minus 2 is multiplied by x minus 5, and this x minus 3 is multiplied by this x minus 4. X minus 3 is multiplied by x minus 4, and this is equals to 1. Now this x is multiplied by this x plus 5. X is multiplied by x plus 5, and this 2 is multiplied by this x plus 5. 2 times x plus 5. X is multiplied by x plus 4. X times x plus 4, and this 3 is multiplied by x plus 4. 3 is multiplied by x plus 4, and divide by this x is multiplied by x minus 5. X times x minus 5, and minus 2 is multiplied by x minus 5. Minus 2 is multiplied by x minus 5. This x is multiplied by x minus 4. X times x minus 4, and minus 3 is multiplied by x minus 4. Minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4, and this is equals to 1. Now x is multiplied by x plus 5, then you will get x square plus 5x. X square plus 5x. This 2 is multiplied by x plus 5, then you will get 2x plus 10. Here 2x plus 10 is multiplied by x times x plus 4 is x square plus 4x. X square plus 4x. 3 times x plus 4 is 3x plus 12. 3x plus 12, and divide by x times x minus 5 is x square minus 5x. X square minus 5x. Minus 2 is multiplied by x minus 5, then you will get minus 2x plus 10. Minus 2x plus 10 is multiplied by x times x minus 4 is x square minus 4x. X square minus 4x. Minus 3 is multiplied by x minus 4, then you will get minus 3x plus 12. Minus 3x plus 12, and this is equals to 1. Here x square plus 5x plus 2x is 7x plus 10. Here x square plus 4x plus 7x is 4x plus 3x is 7x plus, look carefully, here we have 10. So we will write this 12 is 10 plus 2. and divide by x square minus 5x minus 2x is minus 7x plus 10 is multiplied by x square minus 4x minus 3x is minus 7x plus this 12 we will write 10 plus 2. This is equals to 1. Now we will apply substitution, and here if we substitute x square plus 7x plus 10, this is equals to a x square plus 7x, sorry, x square minus 7x plus 10, this is equals to b. Now this expression is replaced by a times this expression is also a, and here plus 2, a plus 2, and divide by this expression is b times this expression is b plus 2, b plus 2, and this is equals to 1. Now a times a plus 2 is a square plus 2a, a square plus 2a, and divide by b times b plus 2 is b square plus 2b, b square plus 2b, and this is equals to 1. Now here we will apply cross multiply, then you will get a square plus 2a, and this is equals to b square plus 2b. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then a square plus 2a minus b square minus 2b, and this is equals to 0. Now first we will write a square minus b square plus 2a minus 2b, and this is equals to 0. Here a square minus b square, and factor of a square minus b square is a plus b is multiplied by a minus b, and look carefully these two terms, if we take common 2, then you will get a minus b, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side a minus b is common factor, so if we take common a minus b, then you will get here a plus b plus 2, and this is equals to 0. A minus b is multiplied by a plus b plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Now here we will apply this rule. If a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If you apply this rule, and suppose this expression is a and this expression is b, if you apply this rule, then you will get here a minus b, this is equals to 0, or a plus b plus 2, this is equals to 0. Here value of a is equals to b, and we know that value of a is x square plus 7x plus 10, and value of b is x square minus 7x plus 10. So here a is replaced by x square plus 7x plus 10, and this is equals to x square minus 7x plus 10. In left hand side here x square, and here right hand side x square. So if we subtract both side x square, then this x square and this x square is cancelled out. Similarly, if we subtract both side 10, then this 10 and this 10 is cancelled out. In left hand side 7x, this is equals to minus 7x. If we take all the expressions in same side, then 7x plus 7x, and this is equals to 0. 7x plus 7x is 14x, and this is equals to 0. Divide both side 14, then x is equals to 0. This is our first solution. Value of x is 0. Now a plus b plus 2, this is equals to 0. A plus b plus 2, this is equals to 0. Value of a is x square plus 7x plus 10 plus value of b is x square minus 7x plus 10 plus, and here 2, and this is equals to 0. X square plus x square is twice of x square. This is plus 7x and this is minus 7x. Both are cancel out. Here 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. This is equals to 0. 2 times x square. This plus 22, if we take right hand side, then this is minus 22. Now divide both side 2. Then value of x square, this is equals to minus 11. Now here we will apply this rule. If a square, this is equals to b, this implies value of a is equals to plus minus square root of b. If we apply this rule, then you can say here x is equals to plus minus square root of minus 11. Here x is equals to plus minus square root of minus 11 is same as square root of 11 times minus 1. And this is same as x is equals to plus minus square root of 11 times square root of minus 1. Then x is equals to plus minus square root of 11 and here square root of minus 1. We know that square root of minus 1 is iota. So our second solution and third solution. Our second solution is plus square root of 11 times iota, and third solution x3, this is equals to minus 11 times square root of 11 times iota, and first solution x1, this is equals to 0. In this question we have 3 solutions. One is real solution and 2 are imaginary solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.